For today's nail art, we are going to be doing some double stamping. I'm starting off with my nails painted Taupe It Off by Pure Ice, and I'm going to apply a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area to make the cleanup faster and easier. Now I'll stamp an image from UberChic stamping plate 2302, and the color I'm using is Mundo de Unas Chocolate. Using that same image, I'm going to stamp in between the brown, this time using Bundle Monster's Red Sea. Remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design on all of the nails. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.